It's minus 15 degrees Celsius, minus 24 with the wind chill, which is about 8 degrees Fahrenheit and minus 11 Fahrenheit with the wind chill. And today, we're going to change the water in the hot tub. There are a few products we're going to use when we change the water in the hot tub. This is Spa Marvel Cleanser. It's a plumbing cleaner to remove buildup and debris from the plumbing of your spa. It goes into the existing water before you drain it. The X10 water filter is a pre-filter that screws onto the end of your garden hose, and it further purifies your water, allowing you to start your spa with better water. And Pump Marvel is a device to drain the hot tub with. It uses water pressure from a garden hose rather than electricity to power it. It drains down to 1/8 of an inch. It doesn't lose its prime, and we're going to show you how easy it is to use Pump Marvel. This is Pump Marvel. Pump Marvel is a water-powered pump that uses water pressure from a garden hose rather than electricity to power it. So you're not mixing water with electricity, or you can use it in places where you don't have electricity available. So you screw a garden hose on one end, turn the water on, and for every gallon that comes in, it picks up 3 more gallons from down below and spits all 4 gallons out the other side. It uses something called the Venturi principle. It doesn't have any moving parts, there's nothing to wear out on it. And on this end, you put a discharge hose on. It'll take a 1 1/4 inch discharge hose or a 1 1/2 inch discharge hose on this collar. The pump comes with a 1 1/4 inch discharge hose. It's a 12-foot expandable hose. And what I mean by that is it stretches out. So it doesn't take up a lot of space when you're storing it, but it does give you 12 feet of hose to use with it. Turn the water on, it picks the water up, and starts to eject it out the other end. You can also insert a 1-inch PVC pipe in the bottom of it. Just friction fits in. And then you can use this in the hot tub to get into tight spots, to get water out of the seat wells, to suck dirt and debris out of the bottom of the tub, and we're going to show you how to do that today too. We set up temperature probes to show the temperatures in and around the spa. So the first setting, 61 degrees, is the temperature inside the cabinet. The second setting, 102 degrees, is the temperature of the plumbing. We've got something inserted next to the probe. And the third one, 108 degrees, is the temperature of the water. So 1 is the cabinet, 2 is the plumbing, 3 is the water temperature. First thing we're going to do is to clean the plumbing with Spa Marvel Cleanser. Turn the jets on. We leave that in with the jets on high speed for 1 hour. Alright, we've run the plumbing cleanser through for an hour. That water is murky. That's what it cleans out of the plumbing. And one thing to note with Spa Marvel Cleanser, it doesn't leave foam everywhere. It doesn't leave a scummy mess around the edges of the tub to clean up. Our outside spigots are turned off in the wintertime, so we just put a hose onto our laundry tub. It's got a hose fitting on it. But if you don't have a laundry tub available, take the supply for your washing machine. It's a washing machine right there. Because those are hose threads on it. So if you've got a washing machine in your house, you can fit a hose onto the cold water supply for it and fill your hot tub from that. Okay, we've got Pump Marvel ready to go. We've got the water hose on this side, the discharge hose on this side. Turn the water on, and it starts to go. It starts to suck. Put it in the water. And watch the discharge in. Water starts to pump out. So this is going to take 30 or 40 minutes to drain 400 gallons of water, and we'll come back when we're near the end. We're 40 minutes into draining the spa. It's almost done, and we'll just check the temperature. The cabinet 63 degrees. The plumbing itself is 90 degrees, and the water temperature inside is still 104 because there's a little bit left. The probe's still sitting in that hot water, but this will be done draining in the next couple of minutes. Okay, 45 minutes in, we've got the hot tub drained. You can see Pump Marvel drains down to 1/8 of an inch, so it gets just about everything out. Now, with this 1-inch PVC pipe, it'll fit the bottom of the pump. And then we can use it. We can use it to suck water out of the seat wells. And it'll even act as a vacuum, sucking up that sediment that's in there. Okay, now we're going to fill the hot tub back up. We fill ours through the filter intake. We're using the X10 water filter to further purify the water, so we start with better water. All right, our hot tub's just coming up to full now. We're going to turn the water off in a moment, but let's check the temperature of everything. We look at this, 3 settings. 37 degrees is the cabinet, 46 degrees is the plumbing. Remember, there's still some warm water left in that plumbing, and 46 degrees is also the water. So that makes sense. The plumbing and the water are both 46 degrees. The cabinet itself is 37 degrees. And keep in mind, folks, that water freezes at 32 degrees. So as long as this is above 32 degrees, nothing's going to freeze. And it's going to take a long time for stuff to freeze. So we've been just over 4 hours since we started this process, and it is cold out today. And the hot tub doesn't freeze. So you can change the water in a hot tub in the wintertime and not have to worry about anything.